everyone, it's Ziya. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys this look right here. Hello, how you like the eyeshadow? I love it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm going to stop. So, I used mostly Juvia's Place items. So I hope you guys... Products? Mostly Juvia's Place products. And so if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look right here, look at this. This is how dark my hands are getting, like even compared to my chest, because I'm always, whenever I'm driving, like my hands are in the sun and I'm getting very frustrated with it. So I gotta wear SPF on my arms, my hands, and my face. Well, I should probably wear SPF all over, huh? I really just focus on my face. So I have to start focusing on my arms too, because my arms are getting a lot darker than the rest of my hair. It also doesn't help that my hair is hairy. My arms are hairy at the moment. So yeah, don't pay attention to that. But anyway, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then stick around. Alright, here we are. I have my brows on, my base is on. I'm baking this eye, but I didn't bake this eye at all. So I want to see if like this eye looks good without the baking, with the setting powder and stuff from Juvia's Place, because I am doing the review on the foundation, the concealer, and the setting powder today. So that's why everything's already done. We're just gonna move on to the eyeshadow, because that's what we're here for. So I'm finally gonna be using the Zulu palette. I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. I don't know what color I want to do for sure. Obviously I love the yellow. I really want to play with the purple. This is such a beautiful, colorful palette that I can't use all of the colors at the same time, because that would be a lot. But what I am going to do is I think I'm going to take the yellow for the crease shade and then the purple like all over. We'll see how this goes as we go along. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the yellow shade, which is beautiful, in my crease. My lid is already primed and set, which was probably a poor idea because this would look better if it went straight over primer without the setting powder. But it's okay. We are going to work on it and make it look nice. Okay? Okay. I'm loving it already. I love it. This is the Urban Decay double-sided brush that came out with the Naked Heat palette, which I haven't used in a minute because I basically do my makeup like almost once a week now. I know, it's a lot. It's not a lot at all. I do minimal makeup, but as far as eyeshadows go, if I'm doing minimal makeup, I'm not even messing with eyeshadow. Like maybe I'll take the bronzer that I'm using and just put that all over my eye or just in my crease and leave it at that. But I just don't do makeup as much as I used to because I feel like I have no reason to, and I just put makeup on when I'm going to film. If y'all hear water running, that is because my father-in-law is watering the yard, which I admit is something that I should be doing, but I never think about it. That's why everything's dying outside, because who doesn't water the plants? Me. Who's also home all the time? Me. Who should take better care of the plants? Me. Well, that's a lot of yellow. I really love this yellow, and my battery's dying. Hold on, you guys. And now I look like I got punched in the face. Hello. I thought my camera was filming when I turned on again, and then it didn't hit the button. That's nobody's fault but my own. So I'm adding purple, as y'all can see, because it's beautiful and I love it. It doesn't look beautiful right now. It looks like I got hit, but it's gonna look better. It all looks crazy before you finish. And then I'm going to take my little blending brush, which desperately needs to be washed, but I haven't done that yet. Hopefully I will do that today because it needs it. But I'm going to take a little bit of the purple on my blending brush, and I'm going to blend that into the crease along with the yellow. I'm really hoping this turns out good. That's pretty cool. It's actually turning kind of orangey. I don't know if that's because of the residual that I have on here, or if that's just the undertones that are coming out from the blending. Either way, looks pretty cool. And I'm gonna go back in with the purple and try packing that on again to make it really bold. Right now it looks a little weak. There's a lot of purple and I actually really like it. So just gonna blend a little bit more here. I'm actually gonna go in with a different brush and take a little bit of the orange. I use that to blend crease. And I'm also going to take the brown, shocker, and I'm gonna use that right in the outer corner just to see if I can deepen it up at all. Yeah, that worked. I'm not gonna put any more than that because I don't want to destroy all the purple that I packed on here for 20 minutes. Now I gotta work on trying to dust everything away from the fallout. This would have been a good day to still bake. Now I'm going to take my little flat brush here, and since there's already like fallout of purple on the lower lash line, I'm just going to go across the whole lower lash line with purple. I'll take some of the brown, put that right on the outer corner just to blend it together with the outer corner brown and to add more depth. It kind of turns orangey as well, which works for me because this look needs that. And I'm going to take the yellow. I'm going to apply that towards the inner corner and out until it hits the brown. And packing on more purple just so that everybody can tell that there's purple on here. Because I love it! I want it to be as strong and as bright as possible. Why am I doing this after I already dusted away all the fallout? Alright, and I'll be right back after I do liner and lashes because I need to concentrate. Alright, got some liner and some lashes on. This is coming together, right? Right? If it's not, don't tell me. Alright, so I have the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette right here. I'm going to use this shade, Yara, as my bronzer. Where's my brush? I love Juvia's Place so much. I don't feel like I use their products enough. Here I have the Warrior palette, which honestly I have used this to contour and bronze and stuff before, and it works. Technically this is supposed to be a blush, but it works kind of as a bronzer for myself because of my skin tone. Ooh, I can't tell if that's a wasp or a bee, but either way it was ugly and I'm glad I'm not outside. Now I'm going to take Kano or Kano from the Warrior palette. Even though it is an eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to use that to warm up the cheeks a bit. See that? It works. It works really well. I'm going to continue taking Kano and I'm going to use that to contour my nose. This is basically a do my whole face using eyeshadow. What's the word I'm looking for? Challenge. Okay, going back into the setting powder from Juvia's Place, I'm just going to cut this down right here. Cut this here. I'm such a huge fan of how the eyes turned out. I'm just, ooh, so happy. But my neck looks so dark. Why does it look so dark? Alright, next we're gonna move on to blush. And for my blush, I am going to go in with B. Mainly gonna keep B up here. Very pretty. And the reason why I'm putting B pretty high up is because I'm going to take a different shade as I go lower. Why? Because I want to use as many colors as possible. And since B is like more of a deeper shade, and I don't want to be deep, deep, deep everywhere. I want to kind of create a more of a gradient effect, so that is why B is way up here. Kind of went overboard in the back here, but we're gonna blend it out. It's gonna be just fine. Now I'm going to take towel, that's this orangey shade. I take towel, apply that on the apples of the cheeks, so now it's like, whew, you know, like two completely different colors but blended together to look seamless. I'm going to take Zoba, that's this shade right here, and she is not exactly my highlight, but she's going to be my shimmery blush that I put right up here, kind of like a pre-highlight. I'm gonna take a little bit of towel and put her on the nose too. Yeah, be really light-handed with these blushes because they are strong. And now we're going to go into highlight. I don't have anything from Juvia's Place, so I'm gonna go into my regular highlighters. The first one I am going to use is the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Limelight highlighter in Ibiza. Oh, and this has like a really pretty purple portion too. So it has a little bit of that purple hue in it. If you take the whole thing all across, which is what I do. And that is going to tie in really well to the eyes. I didn't plan that, but it works. And I'm gonna take my little highlighter brush for my eyes. I'm gonna take just the purple part and add that to the inner corners to make a glowy purple. Ooh, yes. You guys can't see it. Useless. It's okay. We're gonna make this work even better. There we go. Now you can see it. I don't want to put the purple on my nose, so I'm just going to take a little bit of Mary Luminizer from the Balm. She is going to go up the center of my nose for a really natural looking highlight. And I'm also going to put her on my Cupid's bow. I have no idea what lipstick to do with this look because I don't want to overdo it. I'm going to try to keep it like fairly neutral. Where did I put my stuff? Oh, it's here mixed in with my brushes. Okay, so I'm going to take the Kylie lip liner in the shade Candy K. Oh, I broke it! Oh no! Oh no! Well, this didn't get sharp. Alright, well, whatever, it's gonna be fine. So, taking the Kylie lip liner in Candy K. It's kind of like a My Lips But Better shade. And now I'm gonna go over that using the Ariel lipstick from ColourPop. And lastly, gloss, which I have gotten a lot more into lately. This is the Extreme Pump, the Sexy Mother Pucker. I can't talk. This is the Sexy Mother Pucker Extreme Plump Lip Gloss. And it's just in the clear shade. I'm sure they have other colors, but I got the clear one. And those are the lips. Very neutral. I'm not going to go too crazy with it because I want the eyes to be the focus. And that is, oh wait, no, I'm not done. I'm going to set my brows in place using the, oh, there's like no, there's nothing on here. There's no label whatsoever. But it's the Maybelline dark brown mascara, actually. And I'm just going to brush that through my brows. I feel like mascara just holds my brows so much better, and that looks so much more bold and sharp. And time for setting spray. I'm using the Morphe Continuous Mist setting spray. And then I'm gonna put mascara on because I have not, that's what I'm missing. I'm missing mascara from my lower and upper lashes. Oh my gosh, that's what it is. That's what it is. That's what I'm missing. Because usually I do that before I get to this point, but I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. Finally, I'm using the Essence, what is this called? Essence Volume Stylist 18-hour mascara. This stuff I would not say is 18 hours, but because it has broken up with me? No, only one person has done that. Has broken up on me after like 8. The very light hand, putting it on my lower lash line. Not my lower lash line, my lower lashes. And that's this whole makeup look, you guys. It's gonna look a lot better once I have my hair down. Hold on. Yes, I fixed my hair and I changed my shirt. So this is the finished makeup look, you guys. What do you think? Tell me your honest opinion. I want to know. And that is the whole look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. I put out new videos every week, so I hope you guys stick around for those. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.